Okay, let's dive into how to play ImproSync, a game of quick wits and creativity.
Looking for a game of quick thinking and hilarious stories? You have definitely found it.
This is ImproSync. You and your friends team up to tell some wild stories under pressure.
All right, Section 1, setting up your game. Let's walk through it. It's super simple.
So the host just starts a lobby and can add up to 12 players. Easy.
And here's the cool part. You get to customize all the rules for your group.
You can set team sizes, how many words you get, and even the round time.
So, you gotta decide how you want to win. Is it speed or is it style? You can even enter your own words to mess with your friends or use the games.
Okay, rules are set. Now for the fun part, the performance round. Let's see it.
Everyone has a role. You're either performing, judging, in the audience, or moderating.
When it's your turn, your group gets a secret list of words you have to use.
The challenge? You've got to weave those words into a story before that timer runs out.
And the moderator's job is to tap the words on screen as your team says them.
Performance is over. Now it's time for the audience to have their say.
If you're playing for score, the audience rates the story on a scale of 1 to 10.
All those scores get added up to find out which team was the crowd favorite.
Okay, all rounds are done. So how do we crown the champions? Let's find out.
So how is a winner picked? Well, it all goes back to the rules you set.
The winner is the team with the highest score or the fastest combined time. Boom!
Yup, 2 ways to win. Have the highest total score or the fastest overall time.
And you can play on just one device, passing it around, or link up over Wi-Fi. All right, now you know how to play. So whose story is going to win the night?